Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to make a professional no smoking sign entirely in PowerPoint. Whether you're creating a presentation, designing office signage, or just want to explore your creativity, this simple method will help you make a clean, bold, and attention-grabbing no smoking symbol in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once you're in, open a new or existing presentation, wherever you'd like to add your no smoking sign. Now go to the Insert tab on the top menu. This is where you'll find all your design elements, shapes, icons, pictures, and more. Next, click on Icons. PowerPoint's built-in icon library has thousands of options, and we'll use one to build the sign. In the search bar, type Stop. You'll see several stop sign icons appear. Pick one that has a bold outline, something easy to see from a distance, and click Insert. Once the stop sign is on your slide, resize it by dragging the corners. Keep it centered and large enough to stand out. This will be the base of your no smoking sign. Now, with the icon selected, head to the Graphics Format tab. Here, you can change the color. Select a strong red to make it vibrant and recognizable. Red instantly communicates warning or prohibited. Next, let's add the message. Go back to the Insert tab and select Text Box. Click below or inside your sign and type "No Smoking" in all caps. This keeps it bold and clear. Switch to the Home tab and increase the font size until it's easy to read, even from a distance. You can also try fonts like Arial Black or Impact for a strong, professional look. To finish it off, you can even add a small smoking icon inside the stop sign. Then place a red diagonal line over it using the Shapes line tool. That's how you get that classic no smoking look with the cigarette crossed out. Adjust the angle of the line until it feels balanced and visually appealing. And that's it. Your custom no smoking sign is complete. You've just designed a professional and printable sign directly in PowerPoint. No design software needed. You can now duplicate it, resize it, or even export it as an image for posters or presentations. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more PowerPoint design tips, and comment below what kind of icon or sign you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.